Yo, what's up, Brainrotters? If you're tired of being the one getting trolled and want to flip the script, here's how you can get your hands on admin commands in Steal A Brainrot and start causing some chaos yourself. First things first, to access admin commands, you gotta grab the Admin Panel Game Pass. It's a one-time purchase that unlocks a bunch of powerful commands. Here's how to get it. Launch the game and open the shop by clicking the shop button on the left side of the screen. Then head over to the Game Passes tab and purchase the Admin Panel Game Pass. Prices can vary, but it's usually around 1,999 Robux. Once you've got the admin panel, you're ready to start using commands. To access the admin console, you can type commands in the chat or click the admin panel button in the top left corner of the screen. Here are some of the most fun and useful commands you can try. Rocket a player to send them flying through the air. Make a player ragdoll so they flop around. Turn a player's head into a balloon so they float for a few seconds. Invert a player's controls for a short time. Give a player night vision for a minute. Jail a player to trap them in place for a few seconds. Control another player for a short period. Spawn a jump scare to scare another player. Shrink a player down to a tiny size. Morph a player into a random Brainrot character. To use a command, just pick the player and say what you want to happen. For example, you could jail a player by selecting their name and choosing the jail option, and they'll be trapped for a few seconds. So if you're ready to take control and have some fun, grab the Admin Panel Game Pass and start experimenting with these commands. Just remember, use your powers wisely or not. It's Steal A Brainrot after all. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which command you're going to try first. Catch you next time.